This is the iPhone 15 Plus and this is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. I've literally just unboxed them in the set behind me. So the amount of time I have spent with these should be calculated in moments, so don't expect anything in-depth out of this, just my first impressions. The moment you put this in your hand, it's instantly apparent how good these new contoured edges feel. It just kind of feels like it melts into your hand. It's lacking that sharp presence on the two edges when you pick up, say, the previous generation. This is the 14 Pro Max here. And in terms of weight, the iPhone 15 Pro uses titanium, so it's supposed to be significantly lighter than the 14 Pro Max. When you pick these up, it does instantly come to you which one is the titanium one. If we compare it to the aluminium 15 Plus, it still isn't as light as the 15 Plus, but compared to the stainless steel predecessor, I know on paper it doesn't sound like a massive decrease in weight, but genuinely, you do feel and notice the difference. If I did a blind test, it really would not be a challenge at all to figure out which one is the 15 Pro. Biggest design change on the 15 and 15 Plus would be the glass back. 15 Pro Max specifically also gets the 5x telephoto camera. And when you look at the camera bump side by side with the 14 Pro Max, it's also extremely apparent how much bigger the telephoto camera module is. New titanium bezels, and from afar, honestly, it doesn't look too different from the aluminium bezels, but when you look at it up close, you'll notice specifically on the titanium, you have this striped texture on it, as opposed to this almost noisy looking texture on the aluminium. And considering I haven't even made it past the hello screen, I should probably stop saying anything more about these new iPhones until I've spent some more quality time with them. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do right now, and stay tuned for more content on the iPhone 15, 15 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yeah boy, they still come with stickers. Hooray!